days have gone. Leave the show. Be proud and strong. He puffed to himself.
Suck it up like a straw.
Thomas and Flora arrived at All Sail End.
Can you say spaghetti?
Thomas was sure Toby Shepard and
Say spaghetti.
Does she daddy?
Spaghetti.
Daddy.
So you like spaghetti?
still there. Toby mustn't see Flora.
You like spaghetti?
We're late to pick up my load. We must go to the dock.
Eat some more spaghetti.
Down.
Yum, spaghetti.
And they puffed quickly away.
I started the serious. But I not one.
At the docks,
I do one.
coupled up
Suck it up like a straw.
water. Thomas was sure Toby would now be leading the parade. Come on, Flora. Flora's axles ached.
If you used the fork I gave you, it would be a lot easier. Do you want a fork again?
Thomas and Flora puffed up to the jungle.
Mmm.
And there was trouble.
It's
Flora
too much.
shoved too far.
I start.
She had run
Mhm.
out of the
Good.
I start.
I'm glad you like it.
I start. I got it.
It's spaghetti.
He knew it was
Can you
his
say
fault.
spaghetti?
Then he heard a chuff and a puff and a ring of a bell.
Well, I'm happy you like it. I love you.